Adom TV Badwam Jumedi so yeda sepa nkomo we die mfiri ha ye nche na wa behu se ye me de sebiti nyame sha so wo twen ye fi se ne ya make say me wo copyright eye mpenifo wa ha ya ye ba bidi enkomo copyright wo ha no mu de ade be bo down kene ba be kasa e de afa ho me wo wura William Akwete Bonsu ewa how your principal state attorney in charge of copyright office. Emwa kwa ba yeda say Samuel Ewuku Jakete so your principal research officer copyright.
Thank you.
Nedi nkomo no wa na afei. Ti we straight to questions no. Ko Ghana for ye ntan humo. Chesi ye humo mpo. Ti na de ye de nyame asese ye hunu mo. Enti minkora William ho ye kan intellectual property a
Yes, yeah, that's it. But before that, you know, say may answer all questions. One day when fine, in the say senior yabe. Mobile inviting you na debia yabeba. Because we are young starting education.
Okay.
In the various schools in the day. Before that, so you go police for young customs for senior year educate one. And senior intellectual property day, so no, you come sister station, Joy FM.
Okay.
And I young another TV, Onuya TV, and then Adom, young Abama.
Near Mamma Quava.
Yeah, that was
intellectual property.
Yes, intellectual property. I can say intellectual property. I say, at the BA will be creative now, will be expressed in a tangible form. So the moment you create that thing in your mind, and I will be expressed in a tangible form. Will be honor. Yes, then the law will protect it. The first say music. You've expressed it in a tangible form. Examples, you say books, books. I express in a tangible form. And I want one more year new films in the also. So these are some of the examples are and a computer software and those things.
Ban away intellectual property.
Yeah, that's
intellectual property. Or one are creating or the other. Say on one idea. You know your kind intellectual property as an
exactly.
You now men call Uriel some forms of intellectual property are your work.
Okay, me da say if me fa akwanya kese so de chia tie for ne ahwefo nyina na sane me director eti aka no intellectual property I can super yi you can say very broad and you know ye won na nkra bata bebre ahoro bebre.
Okay,
it depends and I say enam ne also we creating ne waye no ena ye behwe say it falls under this particular form of IP or that, but basically no you were two main branches of intellectual property. Back on any what we call industrial property no if nema to say maybe it's a patent say be what a patent that me give the pay is what a patent here nkofo a omo de nema fofo ebe wi ase ti say TV and as impo camera here is here ni obi net na ase no design here say it should behave like this enti no esan say eye new a be new wi ase obi na de buy ye man patent for the device na say machine or the about wi ase no it sounds and still under industrial property, it sounds what you call trademarks.
Okay.
Trademarks basically are so they are obedi ato ne product into say be in so and say beverage products on the market and na home fast one say e be man aye easy am consumer na okwagoto ade no be hu say we na mepe and I will say we na mepe. Aside that, no, so you will industrial we also have what you call industrial design. I know it's only the aesthetics. Senior and then osi hunu. Senior see sifan. Senior center table is here nim fefe. Okay. And also fall under industrial property. But then the other branch no copyright and related rights. The honor me director if
honor benti answer kwa no ye bedru ho no me hwe emra no de ekafa intellectual property ho.
Yeah, there was some laws govern the copyright law of Ghana. Your Act 690. One more share no in the year 2005.
Oh.
Before that, so there were international laws govern.
Also almost share in the year 2000.
Yes, 2005.
Okay.
2005. Yes, I changed
20 years back.
So before that, there were international legal framework govern the copyright laws in Ghana. We have in the Berne Convention, then we have what we call the TRIPS Agreement. The international govern the copyright laws in Ghana. But apart from the Copyright Act, the Act 690, we also have allies. But one more year amending only last year.
Oh, okay.
So the allies, we have the Copyright Act and then the ally. Apart from that, so we have the High Court Civil Procedure Rules, CI 47, and also Kakambi. And Sana, generally, the laws of Ghana.
Okay.
So the international laws and then the laws of Ghana, and I'm govern.
Say, you're copyright, because you're tate, no be a faminium, you say, I cry, alabaster box, so many. Medical for her. It is a say no, dear, right, no home run or home. I say, be over back our family, say.
Yes, and that is one of the main reasons why I am my education.
Okay.
And they say, what for Obiuma, then it means without the permission of the person. Now, Papa Fanunium, now, then the person can take you on by going by the copyright laws and the laws of Ghana. Okay. The person can so you need to seek permission of the person before you can use the panel
the property.
The property. Yes, exactly.
Inti sano emrana kase wo copyright no.
Yes, it is. We are formed the monitoring team. This is one use pen drives, no money, and your man with that. Yes, yes, with that. I want to street is so ni CDs and money I didn't know. We have now formed the corporate monitoring team. I go around to seize without the authorization of the very soon you see it.
Copy pen drive
yeah, exactly. Without the authorization of the
owner, no?
Yes, I want to duplicate it. I want to yes.
Yes.
It's made in a tomb how many years and you trouble man.
You bet me the natum, some run a convicting. You bet me the natum up to 3 years.
Wow.
Near Sans one night you are fine. Yes. Now, Pajos, some bet me the cacrasso near Mr. Bonsukai and so law, no, a year copyright act, no, a prescribe 2 forms of rights, and 2 mere ye de show, say. It sounds what did you make on our creative side way? Yena home faso. Copyright Act no. Mr. Bonsu Boss Act 619. Emma 2 million now at the mount. You want room you. Back home any near fair economic rights. No. We normally say it's a bundle. Okay, it's a bundle because. And my who quine, ma, the oye, a human, and I say book now, I show a man who quine, or no one they beat me, I reproduce it, or no one they beat me up performing publicly, or no one they beat me up, say, okay, me sure bookie or English, me person may translate it ekotwi ana say po French ono nko na sa to me ni won obi fofo ko ye wanje permission na watomra
emre no sha ese mo sha da meto time
yo yeah be
mo sha da meto ye kasa because sam komo we na o say
ye won dem be kasa
ese ma no nye ye sha da mpemre na fe ye nka ho asem na issue e hard na e bia moving forward no ti say no any say bianca because and digital ninti obi ye kura by the time I realize no ade no call out dada most for digital issue improve security say be ya obi tap into someone's writer and no betimi akachi nipa no na ka because antes apa dia over 33 million people na bedding.
Exactly. So these are all some of the things who said AI and other things. So it's not coming up.
Okay.
So and we in the whole world we have an organization called WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. So there are discussions going on for us to take charge of all these things to improve. And then so very soon you see. Yes, and the American say Saturday Intellectual Property Day.
Okay.
Or young office or teachers war. Teachers war. We have Diana Hobson and another artist will come. The team is IP. Feel the beat. It's on music. You know, that's why we are going around to sensitize people for people to know much and what copyright is all about. So if people come, yes, that's it.
Ura Sameni William, Damwase Papa, I best find time be near Mosia. Let us say, I am on Tremiana, Menfa with Membrane sorry. I wish ye do one wawda, Radia be, brain, why yena be brain, or yena be brain, or be. Tiano Muni, one more day strong. Happy birthday, Sanaba from Black. Yamishra, Yamino Kessie, almost Umfra Dumu, Enko Adumu, Yamishra, Papa, Sanaba, Mufanto Homayena, Omunhuno.